That's something I've never seen on a catfish boat before. This is J.R. Cochran with New School Fishing. Today I'm on the XL Stormcat. It's an all welded boat, 100% aluminum, no plastic boxes, 102-inch beam, 80-gallon live well, 33-inch sides, 12 storage compartments. Man, the boat is just, it's a fishing machine. I mean, the track mount system for the rod holders all the way down to the dual console with the windshield and the dashes and everything. It's top notch. XL really built one hell of a boat. Something you don't typically see on a catfish boat is the ability to adjust your trim on the bow. This is a top of the line catfish boat, and it rides like one and it fishes like one. All right, who wants to see the pig pen? You want to see the pig pen? This is the pig pen right here. Nice. And this thing will literally, it'll hold me. Like, I can get all the way in here and take a bath if I wanted to. I'm not going to though. I'll leave that to Zach Taylor. Got a plug there, plug there. Bam, hit that switch. She's cooking with gas, baby. The 250 fits this 23-foot hull great. It's very, very fast. Smooth throttle response. Expect nothing else from Yamaha, man. You know, Yamaha is one of the best in the business, if not the best. It's pretty smooth. Like with any aluminum hull, you can hear every little ripple. But it's dampened. It's a lot more dampened than what I'm used to. I think it's because I think this aluminum boat, this hull has a little more freeboard than your Sea Arcs or your Tracker, your Grizzly Trackers. I think that helps dampen the sound a little bit. I'm a glass guy, so it's nice being in a aluminum boat that rides about like a glass boat. It's pretty rough out here today too. Power is definitely there. You definitely feel a little more safe in this boat than you would your typical aluminum boat. It kind of puts you in mind of one of those North River, I don't know what, I forget the name of them. If there was ever a man's boat, this is it. This is a man's boat. have too much power. Yeah, right.